वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदातौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्किभ्यः सन्
तिज्किद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मन्बददांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातोः कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्यच
सुप आत्मनः क्यच
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
उपमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
अधिकरणाच्छेति वक्तव्यम्।
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विब वक्तव्यः।
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्युर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्भ्यख्यश
लोहितादिडाज्भ्यः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्तथपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुत्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकम्बमिगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखाभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनख्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः क्यच
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरान्निङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरङ्गिङ्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवनुव्रतवस्त्रहालकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेकाचोहलादे क्रिया समभिहारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलादिः क्रियासमाभिहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो वावगर्हायाम्
उपसदचर जप जपदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भवगर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वाद्भ्यो यक्
कुपूधूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
उपोधूपविज्पणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेरीयम्
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिम्
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
स्यतासील्लटोः
स्यातासीलृतोः
सिद्बगुलं लेटी
बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामं मन्त्रे लिटि
आस्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
जादिश्च कुर्मतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
षविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवं श्लुवच्च
भीह्रीभ्रीर्वां श्लवच
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्जानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
इवं कुर्वन्त्वत्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां जकयामर्मयामकः पावयां क्रियाविदामक्रीण्निति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयं प्रजानयं चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाविदामकं इति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
चलेहेसि च
श्लेहसि च
शलैकुपदादनिटक्सः
शलैकुपधानिटः सः
श्लेष आलिङ्गने
श्लीष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
दृशः
निश्रीद्रुसृभ्यः कर्तरी चङ्
निःश्रीद्रुस्त्रुभ्यः कर्तरिच्छम्
विभाषाद्धेष्व्योः
भाषाश्वयोः
उपैश्छन्दसि
उपैश्छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येतलत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
अस्य तिवक्तिख्यादिभ्योङ्
अस्यति वक्तव्यादिभ्यों
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
विसिचिवश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेषु
तस्याम्
उषादिद्युता मृदितः परस्मै पदेषु
उषादिद्युतादितः परस्मै पदेषु
तर्तिशास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च
तर्तिशास्त्रिभ्यश्च
इरितो वा
ऋतो वा
ऋतो वा
जुरुस्तम्भ मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
जैस्तम्भो
ऋस्तम्भोरुचु
लचु
गुचु
लचु
गुचु
ग्लचु
गुचु
ग्लचु ग्लुञ्चु
गुभ्यश्च
विश्भ्यश्च
कृभृद्रुगिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृमृदृभिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृभृद्रुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते
चन्ते
पदः
पदः
दीपजनपदपूरिताकिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनपदपूरितायिभ्योऽन्तरस्याम्
दीपजनपदपूरितायिभ्योऽन्तरस्याम्
अचः कर्मकर्तरि
चः कर्मकर्तरि
कर्मकर्तरि
दुःखश्च
पुरश्च
दुःखश्च
न हृदः
न
हृदः
हृदः
तपोनुतापे च
पोनुतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
किंभावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुकेयक
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि
कर्तरि
शप
शप्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वाभ्यश्यन्
दिवादिभ्यश्चन्
वा भ्राशभ्लाशभ्रमुक्रमुक्लमु तसि त्रुटि लशः
वा ब्लाश ब्लाश क्लमु क्लमु
भ्राशभ्लाशभ्रमुक्रमुक्रमुक्रमुक्रसि
क्रमु कृसि त्रुटि
त्रुटिलशः
सः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गा
यशोनुपसर्गा
संयसश्च
न्यसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्रुच
शुभश्रुच
शुभस्य च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
शून्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
अनुकरणे
तनूकरणे
तक्षः
तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
ताद्यश्यः
तादिभ्यश्चः
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
तदाद्यश्नम्
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्ग्यः उः
तनादिकृञ्जः
तनादिकृङ्गः
उः
उः
दिन्विकृण्योरच
दिङ्विकृण्योरच
दिङ्विकृङ्ग्योरच
क्रयादिभ्यश्नाम्
तयाद्यश्न
यादिभ्यश्ना
स्तम्भुस्तुम्बुस्कम्बुस्कुम्बुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तम्भुस्कम्भुस्कम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तम्भुस्तुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
फलश्नश्चानज्जौ
फलश्नश्चानज्जौ
हलश्नश्चानज्जौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि
छन्दसि
शायजपि
सायजपि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यम्
ज्ञाशिष्यम्
लिङ्गाशिष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत् कर्मणा
कर्मवत्कर्मणातुल्यक्रियः
तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्म कस्यैव
तपस्तपः
कर्म
कर्मकस्यैव
कस्यैव
न दुःखस्नो न मां यक्षिणौ
न दोहस्नु न
नादुगस्नु नमां
यक्षिणौ
यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचांश्यन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरञ्जो
कुषिरञ्जो
प्राचांस्यं
प्राचां
परस्मै
परस्मै
पदं च
पदं च
धातोः
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 तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्तम्
तत्रोपपदं
तत्रोपपदं
सप्तमीस्थं
सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिङ्
कृदतिं
क्रीडतिं
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो
वासरूपो स्त्रिया
स्त्रियाम्
Yes. यस्मिन् कर्तरिषु अधिप्रवृत्तिभ्यः शपः दर्शनं लोपः प्रत्ययस्य लोपः प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणं नादमताङ्गस्य जुगोत्यादिभ्यः श्लू. Then what is slow? I think up to this we saw, right?
Yes.
206. Any doubts, Priya?
No.
This is a last revision. After that, we will move on forward. Okay. Number is 207. Divadibhyaha. What is the Pradipadikam? Like Hari, Divadi.
Divadi.
Bhagavadgita Samasa. Div Adihi Yasya Ganasya Saha Ganaha Divadi Ganaha. Divadi referring to the Gana, the group. Tasmat, Byaha, Panchami. Shan. Shan is what? Vibhakti, what? Vachanam. Like what Shabda? Shan. Pratama.
Then,
This, the third chapter, that which is in Pratama Vibhakti is Prataya. You have to see the context. It could be Adesha or it could be Prataya. So it could be an Adesha sometimes, but here it is Prataya. Because Panchami is Divadi, Byaha, Shan. So it is Prataya. Divadi is Dhatu. So Dhatoho Paraha. Dhatoho Paraha Shan. But Kartari conditions, Kartari Sarvadhatake. Kartari is denoted by the Lakara. Lagacha Karmani Vavecha Karmakebhyaha. Lakara which is added to Dhatu. If it denotes Karta, then that Prayoga is Kartari Prayoga. So the Lakara Pratyaya which follows a Dhatu and the Pratyaya which replaces the Lakara, Tiptasri, Tiptasta, if it is Sarvadhatuka. What are Sarvadhatuka Pratyayas?
Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Tingshit.
Shit Sarvadhatuka.
Okay. So it means all the pratyas which come in the place of Lakara get the Pranya Sarvadhatuka, right? Tiptasri, etc.
No, we have some exceptions.
Huh?
We have some exceptions.
What is that?
Not because lit and
exactly. Very good. Yes. Very good. That is
these are
yes.
Sarvadhatuka.
Yes. Lit Lakara is and Ashiling is Ardhatuka. Please note. So exception is there. Ardhatukam Sheshaha. Then what is next sutra? Lingashishi Litcha, right? Ashiling and as well as Lit Lakara, they are the same pratyaya Tiptasri will come. In the case of Lit Lakara, instead of Tiptasri for Parasmipadi, we have another set of pratyas, 9 pratyas, Nallatus, Ustallatusta, Nalvama, that we will see later. They are other Dhatuka pratyas. Atmanepada pratyaya is same. And for Linglakara, we saw Linglakara is simple, Ashirling. They are also Adadhatuka pratyaya. So therefore, the pratyaya what follows must be Sarvadhatuka. That is why if you see Litlakara and all, no Gana Vikarana will come. Ashirling, no Gana Vikarana. Remember? Bhuyat, we saw. Right? Bhu plus, what is the pratyaya? Ashirling pratyaya. Yat, yatam, bhuyat. Ashiling, remember, I taught you. Simple one. No Gana Vikarana. That is which Sarvadhatuka is very important. Okay. When the Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then you may ask, what about the Rit Lakara, Ring Lakara, Lut Lakara? For that we have separate sutra. What is the sutra? Syatasi Luto. By that, Sya and Tas, not Gana Vikarana will not come. So that is also ruled out. So just to rule out the Lakaras. Lut Lakara ruled out. Rit Lakara ruled out. Ring Lakara ruled out. Lit Lakara, Ashirling. All these are what Lakara? All these we can say, all these are Adadhatuka Lakaras. We can say loosely. Now what are Sarvadhatuka Lakara? Lat, Lang, Lot, and Ling. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
And late Lakara, that is in the Veda, don't leave it, not required. So all the Lakaras are covered. What Lakara is left? I think they are done all. Okay.
Sorry. This Sadasirlitoho excludes
Only for Rit, Ring, and Lut. Not for all the three. Okay. For Rit Lakaras, yeah. For Satasi, R, Lutoho, lit lakara, ling lakara, sya will come. For lut lakara, tas will come. And one more lakara, lung lakara. That is different. That is also other dhatuka lakara. For that we have a lot of rules are there. That out of scope now, don't worry. So all these lakaras, what I mean is, lat, lung, lot, ling. These are sarvadhatuka lakaras. So the pratyaya replacing this lakara, tiptasji. They are what is referred to by the word sarvadhatuka. They are sarvadhatuka pratyas because tingshita. So when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows kartari, then dhatoho paraha ganavikarana pratyaya bhavati, shan will come. If the dhatu is divadi. Understand? If it is adadhatuka lakara, then it is not ganavikarana, it is just vikarana. Irrespective of the dhatu of different ganas, from different ganas. For example, for lutlakara, only sya will come. Lutlakara, tas alone will come. Understand? In the case of litlakara, until nothing, no ganavikarana, because it is not sarvadhatuka. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, please note. That's why sarvadhatuke is very important. Kartari sarvadhatuke dhatoho paraha ganavikarana will come with corresponding to the gana. That is only the for lat, lung, lot, and ling. That's why these four lakaras are called sarvadhatuka lakara. That is what it means, sarvadhatuke. First we add dhatu plus lat. In the place of lat, I mean, I'm just taking the example of lat. Okay, lat, lung, lot, ling, whatever it is. Then it is replaced by the respective pratyaya. Respective means corresponding to Purusha and Vachana. Tiptashi, Siptastam, Vipasmastatam, Jatasatam, making whatever it is. That is Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. So when it follows a dhatu, then Gana Vikarana corresponding to the dhatu, to the corresponding to the Gana to which the dhatu belongs to will come. Understand?
Yes.
So this is only for lat, lung, lot, and ling. Fine. This is not new. I'm just repeating what I already seen. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Kartari sarvadhatuke, therefore divadibhyaha dhatubhyaha shan paraha bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
So kartari sarvadhatuke, what vibhakti sarvadhatuke?
Saptami.
Saptami.
What does it mean? Parasaptami. The type of
Yes.
saptami is, we have got different saptami.
Vishaya Saptami.
No, sir. Not Vishaya saptami. Why?
This is not in
No.
the context of.
No.
No.
When a pratyaya follows, only this will come. Right?
Yes.
Sarvadhatuke pratyaye pare. In the context, that is samhitayam, that is Vishaya saptami. Samhitayam Vishaye. In the context of Sandhi, Iko Yanachi, Ad Gunaha, Vidvirechi, etc. I can say. Here Parasaptami.
Yes.
Because Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then only this come. Not in the context of Sarvadhatuka lakara, not like that. No, this is very important here is Sarvadhatuka pratyaya must follow the dhatu. Then only Ganavikarana will come. Not in the Vishaya, in the context of Sarvadhatuka lakara. You cannot take like that.
Okay.
Because Ganavikarana, what brings Ganavikarana? And Ganavikarana, where does it come? Between the pratyaya and the Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. That is now the pratyaya. Ganavikarana comes. So it is Parasaptami. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Kartari, you can say Kartari Vishaye. When it denotes a Karta, Karta does not follow. Okay. Kartari Prayoge, Kartari Vishaye. The pratyaya should be connected to Sarvadhatuka. The Sarvadhatuka pratyaya denotes the Karta. Pratyaya doesn't denote. Pratyaya added to the dhatu. Finally, you will have the Kriya Padam, that will denote Karta. The Lakara denotes Karta. Corresponding to the Purusha and Vachana, whatever may be, Madhyama, Pratama, or Uttama. Or we can say Pratyaya also denote. Why not? Because Every pratyaya, no, it's very significant. It denotes particular purusha, particular vachanam. Of course, it denotes kartari prayoga. Kartari or karmani, depends, right? Because lakara denotes. So therefore, you can say, yes, why not? This is also kartari is pratyaya, sarvadhatike pratyaya. They go together. Sarvadhatuka is a pratyaya and sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows. Kartari prayoge. Kartari vishaye kartari prayoge. Okay, pare. Let's say pare is a parasaptami. Divadiganasya dhatoho paraha panchami. Dhatoho panchami, not Divadiganasya. Dhatu belong to Divadigana. Dhatu will take, or the paraha, Shen Pratyaya follows the Dhatu of the Divadigana. Shen Pratyaya is ordained after the Dhatu of the Divadigana in Kartari Prayoga when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. That is the translation. The Shen Pratyaya comes after a Dhatu of the Divadi class when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya denoting the agent follows. Okay. Kartari Abhigite, you can say, Vishaye, you can say. Example. Shen, therefore, the Shen Pratyaya for the fourth conjugation. First dhatu is Div dhatu, therefore Divadi. First, now let us take this. Okay. I have not given Divadi example, but why not Divadi example? Because I taught you. I will take Divadi example. First dhatu itself we can take. You have to tell what is the form. I have taken other dhatus. Why not Divadi? Why not the Div dhatu? You tell me what is the form. Div plus tip, Kartari, Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare, Dhatoho what? Shen will come. Yes, right?
Yes.
After that, what the next step? What happens then? Shen, Nakara, Alantyam with it. Shakara, Shit, it letter. Therefore, this is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Shen. Content is Ya. After that, what happens? Kimbavati.
Divyati on, cioè,
No, sir. You should know, we have seen.
It becomes next dirga. Divyati.
Ervoho upadayaha dirghakaha alicha. Next sutra we saw. Dhatu ending with the repa or vakara followed by a hal, then it's upada, the ik letter will get dirgha desha. That is why divyati. What is the sutra number? 8, 2. What does the mother say? Please see. Ervoho upadayaha dirghakaha. What is the number?
Yes.
8 to 70. 73. 8 to 72 is, I think, Rupadayaha Dirghaikaha. This must be 73. Am I right?
8 to 73. No, I think it's other.
Not 8 to, Alicha. 8 to 77, sorry. 76, 77. 77,
Ali.
not 73, 77, right? Divyati. Similarly, Sivdhatu becomes Sivyati. Okay. Sorry. Already we have seen this. The sutra we have seen, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Haricha.
Yeah. So Alicha we have seen. Okay. The Nrit Dhatu. Okay, Div Dhatu. Okay, why Angakarya did not happen?
Because this is not, this is a apit.
Yes, it is Sarvadhatuka, but it is Apit. Apitvat, what?
Vitva
Nitvat.
Nukta.
Therefore, Angakarya is denied. Div is Yanga for Ya. Div plus Ya is Yanga for Tip. Even though the penultimate is Rasvaik Upada, Rasvaik, this cannot cause Angakarya. It is Sarvadhatuka, fine, but it is not with Apit. Apitva Nitvat, then Angakarya is negated.
I
Will
I
not
was about to say I was about to say apitva angakaryam na bhavati.
Yes. Yes. Apitvat angakaryasya nishedaha bhavati.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but
There will be
what
negation
what
of angakarya because the pratyaya having the status of nitvam.
oh the 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 nitvam is in the sutra, meaning
Nitvam is
meaning meaning the sutra is for nitvam, meaning why we have to make why we have to say apit is equal to nit.
yes, that is sutram. Sarvadhatukam apit nit. We'll see that later.
Oh,
That's a sutram is yes.
and then
Sarvadhatukam apit is nit. That is all related to the anga that we will see. When we see the dhatus of the grana, will see that. But I have taught you many things before in advance, so that you know how to process, so that it sinks in your mind. I keep saying it right, so that you know
yes,
it what happens. Later when you see it becomes clear.
yes, we are
Nit plus.
slow learners.
That's why I keep saying in the beginning, then we see it further. Similarly, nit plus ship.
Think
Sorry, nit plus step. सार्वधातुके कर्तरि सार्वधातुके प्रत्यय परे धातोः दिवादिगणस्य धातोः परः शन गणविकरणः शन भवति. Shan being shitvat, sarvadhatukam, fine, apit, but it is apit. Apitvat, angakari na bhavati. Nir will not become nart, nir only. That's why we have nirtyati. Understand? Suppose if you do the nijanta of this, then what will the form? Nrit plus nich visa, piradibhyaha nich vetumati cha. Then nir will become, it's a
then we
nita.
become
Nar,
then we become nar vriddhi.
nar, not nar, nar. Rasva
Oh,
ikupada will take guna. That
also
is common.
guna.
If it is A, it will become vriddhi. If it is the ach, ending letter is, if it is vowel, then it will take vriddhi. Okay,
Correct, correct.
rasva ikupada will take guna only.
Yes.
Nartha, nartha plus e, what is that? You have a new dhatu which is narti. Narti is a new dhatu. Now, how do you decline in latlakara? Narti is a new dhatu. Will it be the dhatu pata? Yes or no?
It will be the
No,
Dhatupata?
no,
Will
no,
it be the dhatu pata?
no,
Upadesha.
no.
No, it
No,
is
no.
not Upadeshika dhatu, it is Atideshika dhatu, derived dhatu. How this will dhatu will
So,
be in Upa?
like Boat Gunner.
Yes. Now this
No, yes,
dhatu will be considered to be a new dhatu. Atideshika dhatu will be treated to be belonging to first conjugation. Therefore, now when you do latlakara, narti plus step, what ganavikarana will come? Shap
Shop.
will come. This by all the dhatus, derived dhatus are considered to be belonging to first conjugation. That is why first conjugation is an open conjugation, open group. You can add any number of dhatus. There is no limit. That's why strictly speaking, there are only 9 groups. Whatever left out, it is put in first conjugation. It is like our storeroom. Whatever you don't require, you put it in the storeroom, right? So it is that. So now shap follows. Shap is sarvadhatuka with narti ending with equilater. Will take guna. Narti will become narte. Narte plus a. What sandhi? Angakarya,
Ayadishan.
after that Sandhi. What
Yes.
Sandhi?
Ayad Sandhi?
Ayadi Sandhi. Nartai, Nartai plus A, Nartaya, Nartaya plus T,
Yeah.
Nartayati, cause to dance. Okay.
Yes.
Nartayati means cause to dance, Mijanta. Okay, fine. Next one, Kurda plus step. कर्तरि सार्वधातुके प्रत्यये परे धातोः किं भवति? शन भवति. देन क्रुध्यति. राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? क्रुद्ध प्लस
Yes.
शन प्लस टी, क्रुध्यति. The next sutra, va bhrasha bhlasha, this also we saw. Va is indeclinable. Va is aviya. What about this bhrasha bhlasha brahmu kramu klamu trasi truti lashaha? Panchami vibhakti ekavachanam. Then what is the pradipadikam? Like Rama Shabdavat. Okay.
Oh,
You
okay.
should not say a thing. Why it is not? Why can't be Bhagavachan? Why Pani Maharishi did not write Lashaha like Ramaha? We cannot ask. Okay.
No, I
He
was
made it like
thinking,
this.
I was thinking it finished like lush,
Huh?
and then
Yes, it is like Rama Shabdavat. Rama, Lashaha,
oh, okay, okay.
not Marut. If it is
Not
Marut,
Marut.
then Lash will be there. Huh?
Yeah, I was thinking lush, then Bahuvachan. But oh,
Mm.
this is Panchami.
Panchami. Yes, Dhatoho. All these are Dhatus. Okay. So Dhatoho.
Then Panchami, how it
Mm.
can be like Rama Shabdavata? Then
Oh, sorry. Shamitam. I thought it is one. Shamitam. No, it is like not. It is like Marut only.
like Marut,
Shamitam. Sorry.
like
Yes,
Marut
yes,
only.
yes. Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
1 minute. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll come.
ah.
Someone.
Fala, Vachapati, tudo bom?
Tudo.
Cara, hoje ainda não consigo dar aula.
Hum.
Só se tu consegue fazer, tu consegue fazer amanhã, de manhã, depois da aula de sânscrito, de mantra, ou talvez no sábado ou no domingo.
Sábado é melhor. Sábado de manhã.
E
Ou não,
sábado,
você pode. Ou de manhã ou à noite. À tarde eu não posso, no sábado.
à noite consegue?
Consigo.
Tipo umas 6:30?
Pode ser. Quer dizer, no sábado. Não, no sábado é um pouco. É melhor. 7 horas seria melhor.
7 da manhã.
Hã?
7 da tarde.
Isso.
Tá, boa, vamos deixar marcado. Aí,
Tá.
depois, sábado eu tô tranquilo nesse horário. Qualquer coisa tu me avisa. Mas já tô aqui.
Também.
Sorry.
No problem.
It's Panchami. 5-1, like Marut.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sorry. It's like Marut only. I thought it is 1-1. I didn't see. I overlooked. So these dhatus, we have seen these dhatus of different conjugations are put together. So these will take shen optionally. So कर्तरी सार्वधातुके एतेभ्यः धातुभ्यः परः शन va is optionally vikalpena. You will see in the sutra va will be there sometimes vibhasha, sometimes anyatarasyam. Va is small word, no, compared to vibhasha. Vibhasha is small compared to anyatarasyam. But when it comes to sutra, the words having same meaning, no. There, alpakshara doesn't matter. Alpaksharatvam doesn't apply for the words having the same meaning. So even anyatarasyam or va both are okay. Right? So therefore, sometimes Bani Maharishi uses va, sometimes vivashad. Now here, the dhatus are given. The dhatus with the upadeshika rupam. Tubhrashru. To what is two?
Who is
It. Nitu, davaha, right? What adi?
Adi Nitu Davaha.
Adihi nitu davaha. After that only shaha pratyayasya comes next sutra. This is talking about the two is for the dhatu, not for the pratyaya. Okay. What is sutra number? We have upadeshya ajanasika yita alantyam yita nana vivakto tu smaha. Then adihi nitu davaha. Then shaha pratyayasya, like that comes, right? So adi nitu davaha referring to the upadesha. And this is a dhatu. Dhatu in the dhatu pata. Dhatu pata is upadesha. Therefore, two is it letter, right? And what about shri? That is dhatu, which is upadesha. Therefore, upadeshe ajanasika it. Is it. The content is brash, meaning deep tau, in the sense of. This is Vishay Saptami. The dhatu pata, the words are in the Saptami, right? Bhu sattayam, yeda vruddhau. All these are Vishay Saptami. Okay. Vajaspati.
Yes.
Saptayam Vishaye, in the sense of, we translate, in the sense of being, dhatu bhu is used, in the sense of deep tau, light, shining, brash dhatu is used. That is the meaning. So dhatus and their meanings are given. Etebhyah dhatubhyah sarvadhatuka pratyaya pare kartari prayoge. By this sutra, shan pratyaya vikalpena bhavati. Now all the dhatus we have done. These dhatus, all the dhatus, if they belong to fourth conjugation, then shan need not be given. Logical, right? See, if all the dhatus belong to fourth conjugation, then shan will vikalpena will come means, then what will come? If shan doesn't come, what will come? Meaningless. Understand? So therefore, you understand? Shab, okay, Shab coming as Anuvati. Sorry, Shab coming as Anuvati. Shan will come optionally means, if shan doesn't come, then what will come?
Shab.
Shab will come. But all the dhatus do not belong to this, the Divadigana. Dhatus of different conjugations are there. First conjugation is there. Sixth conjugation also is there. First conjugation, Shab. Sixth conjugation, Sha. Fourth conjugation, dhatus are also there. Right? Right?
Yes.
That fourth conjugation, that Ganadhikarana, that comes optionally even for first conjugation dhatu, even for sixth conjugation dhatu. That is the what we need to know from this. And Shap also coming as Anuvritti. Shap also. Shap means not Shap for all. I mean, Shap is Utsarga. For the dhatus of the fourth conjugation, shan is optional when we say shap will come. And the dhatus of the first conjugation, shap will come. By this sutra, shan is optional. Similarly, for the dhatus of sixth conjugation, sha will come. by this sutra, shan is optional. That's how we have to take. Shap doesn't come as anuvarti. Kshametam. Shap need not come as anuvarti. Shap is not required. If the dhatu belongs to first conjugation, anyway, kartari sarvadhatike shap by 3168, shap will come. If the dhatu belongs to sixth conjugation, then tudadibhyaha shaha, by that sha will come. Dhatu belongs to fourth conjugation, divadibhyaha shan will come. Shan is made optional. Then what happens by utsarga? Shap will come for the first conjugation and sha will come for the sixth conjugation. So we have two forms. Understand? You see, each one I have done. And here, again, Bhuvadigana dhatus, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dhatus are there. Bhuvadigana dhatu, what pratyaya it will take? Ganavikarana, Kartari Sarvadhatike,
Shap.
Shap. If it is mentioned here, and Shan coming as Anuvritti for this. Not by mistake, I said Shap. Shan coming as Anuvritti. So, Kartari Sarvadhatike Shap by this sutra Shan, therefore you will have two forms, right? So, Brash, first conjugation Shap, therefore you get Brashyati, and by this sutra you get
Brashyati.
Brashyati.
Yeah, again, Kartari,
Oh, Brashyate.
Brashyate and Brashyate. Brashyate is first conjugation. Brashyate, again, first conjugation dhatu, here Shan Pratyaya, Brashyate, two forms of the Brash dhatu. Similarly, the second dhatu, Blash dhatu, first conjugation. Blashyate, if it is Atmanepadi, Blashyate, Atmanepadi only. Blashyate, another form is by Shan, Blashyate. Similarly, Brahmu already, this is the example we saw, I gave. Brahm dhatu, first conjugation become Brahmati, and Shan by Pratyaya get Brahmyati, two forms. In fact, another two forms are there that we will see, comes later. Right? So Brahmati, Brahmyati. Then Brahmu.
Excuse me, in this
Yes.
case, with the Shan, Brahmati is to cause to walk.
No. There is no cause. Same meaning only.
Okay.
Why cause? How can you say cause? Cause is only by Etumati niche.
Okay.
Niche only when you are done only it is causative. Otherwise, no. Brahmati, Brahmyati having the same meaning.
So
All
this Shan doesn't bring the
no,
cause.
doesn't. Where? How does? By what sutra? Tell me.
I don't know. Okay.
Only niche alone Etumati. Hetuhu is a sanya. Hetuhu means prayojaka karta. That is the one who causes to act. The karta, the main, the karta, swatantraha karta. Agent, causative agent. The causative agent is one who makes the agent act. There are two agents you need to know. One is agent, other one is causative agent. Like you are the owner of the car. You appoint a driver. You make the driver drive, right? You make the driver karayati. Karayati. You sit next to the driver and make the driver drive. You give all the time instruction.
Yes.
Go fast, go slow. Hey, see, there's somebody coming. Apply brake. You make him drive by instruction. You are the karayita, and he is the karta. He is the driver. You make him drive. You got the causative agent, right? When causative is the niche will apply to the dhatu. Then you get a new dhatu, not any other pratyaya. Understand?
Okay.
But
Technical name for causative agent is hetuhu. That's what etumati cha. What is etumati? What is etumati? Etumati, what vibhakti? We saw that. Yes. Saptami. What is Pratipadikam? Etumat. Etumat like what? Dimat, Buddhimat. Same etumat. Etuman, etumanto, etumantaha. Like that it is declined. The one who has the hetu. That is, hetu is a cause in making someone act. That's called etumati. Etumati nich pratyaha bhavati dhatoho. Right?
Yes.
Not shen.
If niche will come, this will be Brahmyati.
That's okay. Let it become that, that's fine. In fact, not Brahmyati. Brahmi, something will happen. If Nich comes, Brahmi, then Brahmi, Brahme, Brahmaya, Brahmayati, something will happen. But not Brahmayati, in fact, something else will happen. Brahm will become Brahm, then Brahm will become Brahmi. Then I think if this enjoys the Mitam Rasvaha, the Brahm will become Brahm again. Okay, we have not seen all those things, don't worry, huh? Bit too much. So
Yeah, big. No,
it
I
will
was thinking
become
because
Brahm. Then you get Brahmayati, you will get, not
oh,
Brahmayati.
okay.
Okay.
I was thinking the Dirga will help to
It will become Dirga, and
distinguish.
Dirga by another sutra, it will become again Rasva. Mitam Rasvaha, one sutra is there. So
Oh,
Brahm plus Nich will become Brahm plus Nich, and Brahm again will become Brahm. So don't worry about that.
right.
Brahmayati. Brahmayati means cast wonder. So I think your head will now Brahmayati. Real. Don't worry. Huh? We have not seen that. We'll see that later. Okay. So the point here
Understood.
is Shan is not causative and all. Shan is in the same sense of the Dhatu only will come. Brahmati wonders. Brahmayati also same. This is taking the Dhatu Brahmu to be the first conjugation. But it happens to be Brahmu. Fourth conjugation also is there. Therefore, in the Sutra, Brahm stands for Dhatus, two Dhatus. Dhatus of the first Dhatu of the first conjugation and Dhatu of the fourth conjugation. For two conjugations, we have the Dhatu Brahm. So we can consider both. That is why four forms total. First conjugation, two forms. Taking the Brahmu to be the first conjugation. Taking Brahmu to be the fourth conjugation, we have two forms. First conjugation we saw Brahmati, Brahmyati. Fourth conjugation, naturally Shan will come. Right? Shap will come by this sutra optionally, because Shan is optional, we said. Therefore, if Shan is not ordained, then Shap will come. Understand? So we have now, when Shap comes, it is Brahmati, same as the first conjugation. When Shan comes, this Dhatu, Upada, Dirghatam happens. Yes, some special sutram is there. That is, there's a subgroup in this group. There's a subgroup in this conjugation that, like Shamam Ashtanam Shani, one sutram is that. Starting from Sham Dhatu onwards. If a Dhatu Pata, please take. It'll be interesting to know this. I don't know whether you would be able to remember all these things, whatever I say. If it is somewhere in the corner of your mind, if it is there, it is good. Otherwise, also it is good. Wow. Okay.
We
Go to
saw this.
the. Huh?
I think is there below this Shamamashtaya
Yeah,
Dirghashani.
you see Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata is given. We have seen
Oh,
fourth conjugation. Okay. We have to find where it is. First, we have to go to the index. Brahm. Babba, Bibi, Bubu. Then where is Brahm? Brahmu. Yeah, here it is. 584. Dhatu number. 584.
584. But this
Dvadigana.
584, it seems to be Bhuvadigani, right?
Really? Okay. Then, yeah, 584 with Dvadigana. I didn't see the Gana. Is it the Dvadigana? Okay, I did a
Uh,
mistake.
because they both were there.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it properly. 1 minute. Immediately after that, then will be the. Oh, it is Bhavadi. Devadi is 114. This your video here is hiding. I'm not able to see the video that will be there. No, in my screen. Your video that
Oh,
that video is hiding that number. Okay,
Yes.
oh, okay, sorry.
it's in the screen. I'm saying that's why I'm not able to see that.
Understood.
118. 1 1. Yeah, here it is. You see, Shamadeha. It's a subgroup of Divadigana, starting from Shamu. Shamu Ashtanam, starting from here, 8 dhatus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Madhu Dhatu, I think. Yes. All these 8 dhatus, what happens? They are considered to be myth. Myth means what?
Okay.
Sorry, not myth. Sorry, Mitamrasva not here. Sorry, Kushmeta. Mitamrasva is something. They are considered, what will happen to that when Shan follows? Dirghatam happens. Shamam, Ashtanam, Shani. What's the number here? Here you must have given the sutra. Not here. I think this
Actually,
page. This page, yeah, here it is. Shamam, Ashtanam, Dirghaha, Shani. Iti sutrena, all these dhatus, 8 dhatus, when Shan Pratyaya follows, Upada Dirghatum happens. This is the rule, 7374 by that. Okay.
oh,
Mitamrasva is something different. Okay, there's no correction. That is something we discussed some by mistake I told. Now here, this applies. Shamam Ashtanam, Dirgaha Shani, Dirgaha Bhavati. Shani is Saptami. When Shan Pratyaya follows, the dhatus beginning with the Sham up to Mad, Dirgaha will happen. Now, take for example Sham. Sham plus Shan plus Tip. This is Parasvipadi. Sham plus Shan. What will happen to Sham? What will happen to Sham? Shamu, who is it letter?
Shamyati.
Okay.
Shamyati.
Dirgaha means what will get the Dirga? Makara. Makara is a consonant. How can become Dirgaha? So Dirga means the Dirga Adesha will come only in the place of
Wow.
Ach. We have Paribhasha, we have seen Achascha long back.
Yes.
We have seen Achascha. If you remember, the number is 1 to 28, not 1 to 1 4 maybe. Achascha Paribhasha. Remember?
Yes, I
Achascha.
remember.
Wherever the Adesha is ordained like Rasvaha, Dirgaha, etc., it will happen only in the place of vowel. Achascha. Iti one Paribhasha. 1 to 20, 1 to 28. Yes.
Yes,
1 to
1 to
28.
28.
It's correct. What I said was not 1 4, 1 2. 1 to 28. Achascha. So that was Sham, that A become Dirga. Sham. Sham plus Shan plus Tip. Shamyati, Tamyati, Damyati, Shamyati, Brahmyati. That is what we are saying. Brahmyati is the meaning. Anavasthane. Avasthane means being in one place. Anavasthane means not in one place. That's why we say wandering.
Oh, yes.
First conjugation is the meaning of chalane, movement. Both are same only. Not resting
right.
and moving. What is the big difference? Huh? Same. Okay. So Brahmyati. So fourth conjugation we have two forms. Brahmyati, Brahmati. Similarly, other dhatus, Kram dhatu also. Kram dhatu in this conjugation, Bhavadhigana. Okay. Kramu, yeah. Kram dhatu in Bhavadhigana, Klamu in Divadhigana. Yes. Kramu will become Kramati, and in this, by this Shan, by Shan Pratyaya, Kramu is another rule is there. Kramu Parasmai Padeshu, by that sutra, different sutram, Upada become Dirga. So Kramyati. Then Klamu also becomes, that is one of the dhatu in the Shamam Ashtanam Dirgaha. Therefore, Klamyati is one rupam. By taking Shan, not Sham, by taking Shap, it becomes Klamati. That is by the Sutra 7375. Everything I have written. Klam becomes Klamati by 7375. We'll see this later, all those things. Don't worry about it. And Klam become Klamyati by Shan Pratyaya, becomes Klamyati. That is by the Sutras, Samam Ashtanam Shani, 7374. We will see that. I explained the Sutra. In fact, this is what the Sutra is, nothing big thing. When Shan follows, these dhatus, will take Dirgha Desha. And here, Klamu, one specific dhatu is there. When Shit Pratyaya follows, Dirghatam happens. Therefore, in the case of Shap follows, Dirghatam happens, Klamati. Okay,
Yes.
understand? Then I think last of this, whether will stop. Tras dhatu, which is this conjugation. Taking Shan become Trasyati, taking Shap, Trasati. Shanaha abhave, Shap pratyaya bhavati. Similarly, trut, this tudadi conjugation. Tudadi conjugation, sha is the Ganavikarna. Sha is Sarvadhatuka Pit. Therefore, through will not become throw. It is only through only. So, right? Tudadi. Tudadi is not shab by mistake shab. Just sha. If it is shab, then throw. It is sha. Trutati is one form. No angakarya. Trut plus sha plus tip. Trutati. Trut plus shan plus ti. Trutyati. Last dhatu is lash kanto, which is first conjugation. Lashati. Lashyati. Two forms. Lashyati by shan. Lashati by shab. Okay. So how many dhatus are covered here? 9 dhatus in fact. 8 dhatus are
9?
listed. Brahma dhatu is in 2 conjugation. Therefore 8 plus 1, 9. 9 dhatus
Oh,
are
okay.
covered by the sutra. Right? Okay, I think we'll
Understood.
stop here. Think about this. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om. I sent the document, Malik.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Please, if any mistakes are the typo, let me know. Now I found 2 mistakes by myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.